Hello, friends. My name is Nancy, and I am 25 years old. Today, I want to tell you about my family, which is very special to me. First, let me introduce my mother. Her name is Anna, and she is incredibly kind. She makes the best cookies. When I was a child, she would bake cookies for me after school. We would enjoy them together while talking about my day. Next, I'd like to tell you about my father. His name is John, and he is strong and brave. He works as a firefighter, helping people every day. I am very proud of him. When I was little, he would read me bedtime stories, which I absolutely loved. Now, let me tell you about my siblings. My brother, Alex, is 18 years old. He is funny and smart. We often play video games together. Sometimes he wins, and sometimes I do, but we always have fun. I also have a sister named Lily, who is 16 years old. She loves to dance and practices every evening in our living room. She is very talented, and I believe she can become a famous dancer one day. Our family also includes a playful dog named Max. He loves running in the park. Every Sunday, we take Max to the park together. It's our family time. We play with him, have a picnic, and enjoy each other's company. One of our most memorable moments was a trip to the beach. It was a sunny day, and we had so much fun. My mother built a big sandcastle, while my father took pictures. Alex and I collected seashells, Lily danced on the shore, and Max chased the waves. It was a perfect day filled with laughter. However, not all days are happy. Last year, my grandfather passed away. He was very special to us, and we all loved him dearly. He used to tell us stories about his childhood. When he died, we were heartbroken, but remembering the happy times we shared with him helped us heal. Another challenging time was when Alex broke his leg while playing soccer. He had to stay in bed for weeks, and we all took care of him. I read him books, Lily brought him his favorite snacks, and my parents made sure he was comfortable. Though it was a tough time, it brought us closer together. We also have many joyful traditions. Every Christmas, we decorate our house with lights and ornaments. My mother bakes a special cake, and we exchange gifts. One year, Alex gave me a beautiful bracelet, and I gave him a new video game. On birthdays, we celebrate with parties. Last year, for my birthday, we went to an amusement park, rode roller coasters, ate cotton candy, and watched fireworks. It was the best birthday ever. In the evenings, we often spend quiet time together watching movies. We make popcorn, snuggle under blankets, and enjoy each other's company. These simple moments are very special to me. I love my family deeply. We are always there for each other, sharing both happy and sad times. We laugh together, cry together, and support one another. Family is a team, and I am grateful for mine. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, family is very important. They are always with you through good times and bad. Take care and love your family. Goodbye, friends.